now. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day, and thank you for being here and watching. I do really appreciate it. I love commenting with you guys, and I really do appreciate when you give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. As you can see from the description, we have a not really new, because I have reviewed for this company before. This is my paper box. I reviewed their grand subscription before, and what I'm actually doing is for November I'm reviewing the mini, and then for December I will also be reviewing the grand again. That way you guys kind of get a better idea of the difference in the two subscriptions. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and it is for the mini. That is, it says our mini subscription includes a set of 3 personalized notepads. Each month you will receive a custom set of notepads personalized with your name. Each month there will be a new theme. Signed up by the end of the month to get the current subscription. Notepads ship out on the 4th of each month, and that is $10 a month. And the grand subscription is $28 a month. And that says our grand subscription paper box will be filled with personalized stationery products. Each month there will be a new theme with products from notepads to thank you cards. Your paper box will arrive before the beginning of the next month, just in time for you to enjoy your new stationery set for the month. Everything will be customized just for you. And I do know that, you know, with the grand subscription I did before, like I got a calendar, thank you cards, magnets, a notepad, all kinds of great stuff. It was really awesome. But, you know, really just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea here of the difference in the two. So we are going to go ahead here. It also says, okay, with the grand subscription, some of the items: personalized notebooks, journals, notepad, monthly calendars, cards, envelopes, and more. And it's 6 or more products each month in the grand. So let's go ahead, and it's so super cute, you guys. It says, hello, I am here, or here I am. And it's my paper box. So we're gonna open it, and again, this is the mini, so this is going to be the $10 subscription, and it's going to be 3 notepads. So let's get it open. So this is what it looks like, and obviously this is for November. So it is all wrapped up nice and neat. Okay. Get this plastic off, take a look. I'm excited. I'm always jotting down notes and looking, you know, different things, and like a grocery list and just so many different things. So I'm excited to see this. It just has a card in here. It says, my family always celebrates Thanksgiving fast. The faster we eat, the more food we get. That's cute. All right, so I do see 3 note cards, and the first one is actually rather big. It does have my name here, Nikki, and then over here there is some small writing, and it says, be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. Oprah Winfrey. And that is so true. So true. Be thankful for the things that you have, and don't sit around and, you know, oh, I wish I had this, I wish I had that. Just be thankful for what you do have. So, oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited. Okay, so again, this has my name on it, and it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But I love owls, you guys, and it has the cutest little owls up there. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is so cute, and this will be very useful to kind of keep track of, you know, okay, so this day we have to do this, you know, that kind of thing. So that's awesome. Oh, and this is cute for for the month of November for Thanksgiving. It is, again, it's a notepad. It says be thankful, and at the bottom it has my name. So these are just so super cute. Everything, because like I said, I have done the grand box for them before for review. Because if I didn't say this was sent to me for review, they're just so cute. It's just what's better than having stuff with your name on it? So again, it is super, super cute. This is my paper box, the mini subscription. It is $10 a month. I will make sure to put a link down below with the Cratejoy link to get you to their site if you would like to sign up. And again, they have the grand subscription that is $28. I will be reviewing that box at the end of November, very beginning of December. So I am looking forward to that and sharing that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and it will I'm stumbling. I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye-bye.